So if you pass no one, I'll be waiting ready for you to call. For I came along, never ever knew you would need someone. But you were wrong, thought you could do it all on your own. 'Cause you need someone, we all need someone. We all need someone.
Alright, the boys just drove out to Timbuktu. We just got the brand new Mavic Air, brand new drone from DJI. We're gonna do a test flight inside because it's nighttime.
I thought it was Best Buy.
Outside.
We got from Best Buy.
Not Timbuktu. Anyway, we're gonna do a little test flight. We're gonna see how this works. We're doing it in the basement. It's not exactly that big of a room, but hey, we're gonna give it a shot, right, Nate Dogg? What's the worst that can happen?
I mean, it could break the TV.
That sounds cool. Next. I do agree. I don't know what I'm agreeing to, but we're agreeing to it. Cool. Beginner mode. Let's keep her in beginner mode, shall we? Give her.
Just give her.
I'm not scared. I'm pumped.
Oh shoot! But like, what if? Woo!
Here we go, boys.
Yes, I bear responsibility for flying. Yes, I'm aware I'm in a no-fly zone in my basement. Woohoo! We have liftoff. Oh my goodness! Yo, it's shaking the Ferrari thing. Oh, great! That's so cool. That's so sick.
Oh, I was just about to test out
It did that automatically.
obstacle avoidance. I was just
Thanks everybody for watching. This has been a life through my. Oh, I pressed 12 this time. Not. Alright, what's going on, guys? It is super early the next morning. I just got my brand new drone. I'm gonna fire it up. I could not sleep. I was so excited to fire it up and fly it. This morning is a beautiful morning. We got the sunset just coming up. I came out at literally the perfect time. I'm gonna get this thing fired up. But just look how small this thing is. That's my lens. What? That's insane. But anyway, we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna launch it. You can't really see the sunset too well, but bam! Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be great, you guys. All right, let's fire this thing up and see what we can get.
No, I know, run away as a savage. Yeah, I do it for no reason, that's just how it is. I deserve something different than average. If you have time for the weekend.
What's going on, guys? Appreciate you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I really want to produce this like really high quality, high production value vlog. This drone is definitely awesome. Definitely keeping it. I just sold my other drone, so that's super cool. Made some money back, which is always nice. And yeah, just look forward to shooting a lot more content with it, and it's going to be great for the channel and my business as well. So if this is your first experience with life through my lens, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to see a full review of the Mavic Air, make sure you comment that below. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.